So hi guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about Lativa Helps, and I'm sourcing this information from Jamaica Observer. It was a case of murder and immediate jungle justice in Westmoreland on Monday morning after a businesswoman was gunned down and her alleged killers were subsequently attacked by machete-wielding residents in a bizarre turn of events. The deceased have been identified as 39-year-old Lativa Helps, also known as Lati from the community. Reports indicated that Helps, who owned and operated Lati Sports Bar and Restaurant, arrived at her establishment shortly after 8 a.m. when she was confronted by gunmen on a motorcycle. The men allegedly asked her to identify herself. She reportedly attempted to run off but was pursued by one of the men who shot her multiple times in the upper body. Observer Online understand that as the men tried to escape, they were struck by a bus whose driver had witnessed the incident. The gunman reportedly ran into nearby bushes and were chased by scores of angry residents who police say chopped one of them multiple times. He later succumbed to his injuries. The other is said to be in hospital in critical condition. A video has now gone viral on social media showing angry residents with machetes arguing with the police and military to free the injured man so they could complete jungle justice. Help's cousin, who spoke on conditions of anonymity, told Jamaica Online that she had been robbed on Friday night. Additionally, she had fallen victim to another robbery just 2 months ago. Me can't believe them kill off my cousin. She was parked in her vehicle and saw men on a bike in mask. She called and told someone that it looks like them are gonna rob the bar again, the distraught cousin recalled. The cousin described Helps as a hard-working, kind, and loving person who had been operating her business since 2016. So before I get into what I think happened, I'm going to say condolence to all her friends and family and everybody that knew her and everybody that supported her bar and cook shop. It's very sad to lose somebody, especially a hardworking person like this when they work their butt off to build what they build. But I really think that this was a hit because they asked her to identify herself. They didn't want to, they wanted to make sure that they weren't taking somebody else's life. So they made sure that they asked her who she is before proceeding to kill her. And I also feel like this could be a case of extortion where she refused to be extorted and they just came and killed her. I hope, I hope and pray that the people in Little London, especially the square of Little London that holds so many businesses, actually take heed and actually start putting in video in their businesses. Not only that, I think my people, especially in Little London, are not accustomed to guns and they don't like carrying guns and stuff like that. But I feel like business owners, especially woman business owners, need to start being able to carry a gun and use it to protect themselves because people have been getting killed right there in that little section of Little London from an idea knee. Okay, so I think in order for stuff like this to stop happening, the business owners are going to have to start protecting themselves and literally be gun owners and carry a gun while they're operating their business. Another thing I will say, because I grew up here, is that the police station is a little bit up the street. It's literally 2 minutes walk up the street from her business. And I can, for the life of me, understand why there's a police station that's right up the street and people are always getting killed down here. Literally, always getting killed, and you hear them say they escaped in nearby bushes. that police station need to go because obviously they're not doing their job. The residents had to come and defend Miss Helps. And quite honestly, I would say I feel bad for the one of the guy that got killed, but I simply cannot. I think in general, as far as Jamaica is concerned, people are tired of regular hardworking citizens getting killed, and you hear that, oh, they got away in nearby bushes, or they got away on a motorcycle, or they got away in a car. So the fact that one of them died, and the fact that uh, jungle justice was served, I can say I feel sorry. And I can say I feel sorry for the one that's in critical condition. I actually hope he doesn't live and he actually dies in critical condition, because at the end of the day, taxpayers are going to end up paying and footing the bill for him to have 3 meals a day in jail. So, with that being said, she lost her life. I think some preventative measures need to be put into place so stuff like this don't happen again. Because from me idea me knee, business owners have been getting killed right here in Little London. CCTV footage, cameras, small cameras that no one can see, and business owners need to start getting their permit and carrying guns on them. Let her be a lesson and let her be the last one. With that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Yo, kill him, kill him,